Danny here with PureLifeOrganics.com, and today I'm going to show you a really simple and safe side stretch for your low back. Sometimes we can't get down to the ground because of pain. Sometimes we just don't have the mobility, and sometimes we just want to break at our desk. So you're going to grab your chair. This is a great one to do while you're working as well. Sit up nice and tall, and what I want you to do is always make sure you listen to your body first. Don't go into pain. But what you're going to do is you're going to grab one side of your chair. You can just hook underneath. Your right hand's going to reach up over nice and tall like so, and you're just going to gently side bend to one side. If you want, your left hand can slowly slide down if you want a bit more of a stretch, but we want to feel a stretch essentially from the bottom of our armpit all the way down to the top of our hip. And then just repeat sides. If you're not comfortable having your arm up overhead, you can just simply rest your hand on your leg and just slide down. What we want to make sure as we're sliding is we're not rotating as we're sliding. We want to sit nice and tall and imagine yourself between two walls, right? You're just going side to side in those walls. You're not letting yourself rotate to change the position. Hold each stretch for about 30 to 60 seconds or until you find relief. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them below.